Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best travel adapters of 2026. Best universal power adapters for travel. Whether you're traveling for business, exploring new countries, studying abroad, or planning your next vacation, a reliable universal travel adapter is an essential accessory for keeping your devices powered wherever you go. Today's best travel adapters combine universal plug compatibility, multiple USB-A and USB-C charging ports, fast charging technology, compact designs, built-in safety protection, and worldwide coverage to charge everything from smartphones and tablets to laptops, cameras, and other travel essentials. Whether you're visiting Europe, Asia, Australia, or the Americas, there's a travel adapter on this list to keep you connected. In this guide, we'll explore the best universal travel adapters available this year and explain what makes each one stand out. Be sure to check the description below for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's stay powered wherever your journey takes you. Starting off with the Septix Universal Travel Adapter. This versatile travel companion is designed to provide dependable charging in dozens of countries around the world. Featuring multiple international plug configurations, it supports a wide range of outlet types commonly found across Europe, Asia, North America, South America, Australia, and many other destinations. Multiple USB charging ports allow you to charge several devices simultaneously, reducing the need to carry multiple chargers while traveling. Built-in safety features help protect connected electronics from overheating, overcurrent, and short circuits, providing peace of mind while charging expensive devices. Its compact and lightweight design easily fits into backpacks, carry-on luggage, or laptop bags, making it ideal for both business and leisure travel. Users appreciate its dependable compatibility, simple operation, and convenient multi-device charging capabilities. Next up is the Baseus 70W Universal Travel Adapter, a premium charging solution designed for travelers who need high-speed charging for multiple modern devices. Equipped with powerful 70-watt output, it can efficiently charge laptops, smartphones, tablets, handheld gaming devices, cameras, and other USB-powered electronics. Multiple USB-C and USB-A ports allow several devices to charge simultaneously without sacrificing charging speed. Universal plug compatibility supports outlets in numerous countries, making it a convenient all-in-one solution for international travel. Intelligent charging technology automatically detects connected devices and delivers optimal charging performance, while advanced safety systems help protect against overheating, overcharging, and electrical surges. Users consistently praise its fast charging performance, premium build quality, and ability to replace several separate chargers with one compact device. Moving on, the Momax Universal Travel Adapter combines elegant design with excellent versatility for frequent international travelers. Supporting a wide variety of global plug standards, it allows users to conveniently power electronics in most major travel destinations around the world. Multiple USB charging ports provide flexibility for charging smartphones, wireless earbuds, cameras, tablets, and other everyday devices at the same time. The compact housing is easy to pack without taking up valuable luggage space, while durable construction ensures dependable long-term performance throughout repeated trips. Intelligent safety protection helps safeguard connected devices against voltage fluctuations and overheating during extended charging sessions. Users appreciate its stylish appearance, reliable compatibility, and efficient multi-device charging capabilities. The Septix 35W Universal Travel Adapter Kit offers an excellent balance of portability, versatility, and charging performance for travelers seeking dependable worldwide compatibility. Featuring multiple interchangeable international plug adapters, the kit supports a broad range of electrical outlets across numerous countries. Its 35-watt charging capability provides sufficient power for smartphones, tablets, e-readers, cameras, and many lightweight USB-C laptops. Multiple charging ports allow users to charge several devices at once while minimizing the number of chargers needed during travel. Built-in safety protections help prevent overheating, short circuits, and excessive current, ensuring safe charging throughout your trip. Travelers frequently praise its organized travel kit, reliable operation, and excellent overall value. Finally, the Acer Universal Travel Plug Adapter earns the top spot as our favorite travel adapter for 2026 thanks to its outstanding combination of worldwide compatibility, fast charging performance, premium safety features, compact portability, and exceptional overall value. Designed for today's connected travelers, this universal adapter supports plug types used across more than 200 countries and regions, making it an excellent companion for international vacations, business trips, study abroad programs, and digital nomad lifestyles. Equipped with multiple USB-A and USB-C charging ports, it allows users to simultaneously charge smartphones, tablets, laptops, cameras, smartwatches, wireless earbuds, and other electronic devices from a single wall outlet. Intelligent power management automatically distributes charging power efficiently, while advanced safety systems protect against overheating, overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuits. All of these travel adapters offer excellent advantages depending on your travel style and charging needs. The Septix Universal Travel Adapter delivers dependable worldwide compatibility with convenient multi-device charging. The Baseus 70W Universal Travel Adapter provides premium fast charging for laptops and mobile devices. The Momax Universal Travel Adapter combines stylish design with reliable international compatibility. The Septix 35W Universal Travel Adapter Kit offers flexible plug options and dependable everyday charging, while the Acer Universal Travel Plug Adapter stands out as the best overall choice thanks to its worldwide coverage, powerful charging performance, multiple USB ports, advanced safety features, and compact all-in-one design. When choosing a travel adapter, it's important to consider country compatibility, USB-A and USB-C ports, maximum charging output, laptop charging support, safety certifications, surge protection, portability, build quality, ease of use, and overall reliability. Selecting the right universal travel adapter ensures your essential electronics stay charged safely no matter where your travels take you. That wraps up our top 5 best travel adapters of 2026, best universal power adapters for travel. Whether you're traveling for work, exploring new destinations, or planning your dream vacation, there's an excellent universal adapter on this list to keep all your devices powered throughout your journey. Let us know in the comments which model you'd choose, or if you're already using one of these reliable travel adapters. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel gear reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and enjoy safe, fast, and convenient charging wherever you go.